Who is the highest performer in your organisation? What if they left tomorrow? Who would you replace them with? Hi, welcome to the Let's Talk Talent channel, where we discuss the world of HR and talent management. We're here to help you unlock the potential in your people. When you think about succession planning, a lot of you will be thinking about succession to your board or your CEO. For me, succession planning is a much broader concept. It's about looking at the whole organisation and thinking about your leadership, your highly regarded specialists, and ultimately treating everybody as talent. I fundamentally believe that everyone is talent. And what we don't ask ourselves is potential for what? So when you're thinking about succession planning, think about your talent story, the reasons why succession planning is really important to you. That could be you're about to acquire a new business, go into a new global market, need a whole new set of skills and experiences in your organisation. But it's also about looking about growing your own talent in that organisation. So understanding, in a football analogy, who's on your bench and who you can pull on to the match. Now that's looking at it through a lens of performance and potential. And performance looks at it not statically, but performance over time and the person's role that they're currently in. And potential looks at their potential for what? So that answers that exam question ultimately. And when you put the two things together, that's where the magic happens. Now, some of you who are watching this channel will think that I'm going to talk about the 9-box grid. I'm going to be honest, I have a complete allergic reaction to the 9-box grid. I think it's old, fusty, and doesn't really do the job. It puts people into a box. So when thinking about succession planning, ask yourself this question. Do you have the right people with the right roles, with the right skills, doing the right things? And that's succession planning. So what do you think about the 9-box grid? Do you love it? Do you loathe it? Is our approach more natural to you? Leave us a comment, we'd really love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our Let's Talk Talent channel, where we'll be sharing more helpful hints and tips on HR and talent management. See you next time.